Welcome back, everyone. I am super excited about today's video. I have been inspired by Giselle Rodriguez, and I will put her YouTube channel down below in the description area. She is a fellow wellness woman, and we have collaborated on a few videos this upcoming year. So I'm so excited to share those with you, and this is one of them. We were talking about winter wellness, and the more I thought about it, the more inspired I became in regards to being a highly sensitive person, because winter times, there's something about it that I don't know, your body goes through changes, your skin goes through changes with it being dry, just the cold and the darkness that comes with winter, winter blues, just all those things. It's difficult for a highly sensitive person. So today's video is going to be 5 tips for winter wellness. And basically 5 items that I highly recommend for highly sensitive people throughout the winter. So let's get started. Number 1 is a cozy sweater. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the term hygge, which is basically a lifestyle of coziness. I love all things hygge. I have read a lot of the books, I've watched the videos, so you can kind of, I guess in some ways this is a 5 hygge recommendations for the winter. But when I think of winter wellness, I think not only in regards to our winter wellness with our bodies and our health, but also our mind and emotional state. So for me, that looks like sweaters. I am sweaters and sweatshirts, like just big, chunky, cozying up in them. So this is one of my cozy sweaters. I'm probably not going to leave it on because I just got home from the gym and I'm not chilled at the moment. All right, so yes, just cozy sweaters are a must for winter wellness as a highly sensitive person. It can be hard to find sweaters. I think that's one of the reasons that I have a lot of sweatshirts, because I find that sweatshirts, you can find better quality sweatshirts, like the softness of the inside. But I just recommend, when you look at sweaters, rather than just feeling it on your hands, if you try them on, I have been known to try them on without a shirt, or if I have a short sleeve shirt, that makes it a little bit easier. But when you're trying on sweaters in a dressing room, take your shirt off and try the sweater on. Like even the cozy ones that you're just gonna wear like a jacket, because you never know if it's gonna actually bother you. So put it on, kind of wiggle around in it, and if you have any kind of inkling that it's scratchy or it just doesn't feel good, put it back. And then try another one. So that's my number 1 winter wellness. Number 2 is a oily thing. You guys know that I am a Young Living wellness educator. So I am very pro essential oils. And one of the top things for my winter wellness, even as a highly sensitive person, because this smells amazing and I use these all the time, one word, it's called Thieves. And I dropped it. All the Thieves. Okay. This stuff, this Thieves cleaner, I know it's kind of shiny here, but this Thieves cleaner, I will never run out of. It is amazing stuff and so easy to use. It cleans everything. It's safe. It's non-toxic. And I honestly feel like using this cleaner has helped us stay above the wellness line this winter. So what I do is I only do half a capful, because I feel like my water bottle is kind of small, and half a capful works for everything that I need to use it for. I use it for my mirrors. I use it on my cabinets. I use it on my counters. I use it everywhere. It's an all-purpose, like literally. I do not have any other cleaner. So I mean, this bottle is 14.4 fluid ounces. Sorry that it's so like shiny. And 1 capful, and then I fill the rest with water, and that's it. I'm dropping things. Yeah, so winter wellness, stock up on all the thieves things. In addition to that, these, oh my goodness, these, I really do feel like these have completely shifted my emotional state, not just throughout the winter, but period. These are not cough drops. We do have Thieves cough drops, and I have those downstairs, and I do like those. Those are super strong and amazing. But this is the Thieves essential oil infused hard lozenges. Okay, if you guys have seen my past videos, if you've been watching me for a while, I used to be crazy about these drops called tummy drops, and I loved the ginger ones, and that's what I would use when I was doing things that would create feelings of anxiousness. And these have replaced that, and these are a lot better for me because they are non-toxic once again. But as a highly sensitive person, I oftentimes go into stressful environments and just need something to zap me out of it, but also just to bring comfort and like bring me back to center. And that's what I use these for. These, you can use them, let's see, what do they say they're actually? It's a blend of 6 natural essential oils. It's an herbal supplement. So if I've been around someone that's sick, my kids will get one of these on the way home. But I carry a bunch in my purse for moments of anxiousness, and I'll stick one in my mouth. And because it's got so many great essential oils in it, it calms me. It's got lemon, peppermint, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary. So, and they are strong, but I don't know, that it's just warming and it's comforting. It reminds me of a cozy winter. So there's another Thieves product. And then of course, Thieves essential oil. I use this, I create a tea with Thieves and lemon, and it is amazing. Very comforting and cozy. Okay, on to the next. Actually, let's do, what do I want to do? Let's do a book. Okay. This, you know, when you think of winter wellness and you think of being a highly sensitive person and just that coziness, to me, I like to envision, you know, my big chunky sweater, a book, and a Thieves drop in my mouth, you know. But this book, I highly recommend, okay? Especially for winter, because we're starting a new year. This is Ula for women. We're starting a new year. This was the best book I read in 2017. And so I can't help but recommend it to you guys. It is all about finding balance in an unbalanced world. So if you're looking for a book to sit down and cozy up with that will inspire you, especially going into the new year, can I just say this should be on your list. It is amazing. And I've heard I got to meet the Ula guys and hear them speak. Ula is a state of awesomeness, basically, is what it means. So if you don't own this book, highly recommend it. And nobody is paying me to say these things, so I'm not getting paid by the Ula guys to recommend this book. Let's see, so that's 3, right? Yeah, okay. Last thing that I want to recommend, no wait, 4, 1, 2, sweaters. Yeah, I don't know, we're just gonna go with it. Maybe I shouldn't have said 5 things. Winter wellness, highly sensitive person, lip balm. Okay, I'm a lip balm fanatic. I love all kinds of lip balm, and there are I have my 2 favorites here that I'm going to mention. One is a Young Living product. This is the Vanilla Mint. This is seasonal, so you can only get it during this time of year, but it's amazing. And it's all natural, non-toxic, 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils are in it. And it's got, let's see, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond. It's got the wolfberry seed oil, Rose hip, peppermint, and spearmint. It is amazing. The other favorite is Aura's Amazing Herbal Chai Spice. It's a botanical lip balm, so it is infused with herbs, and I really like that one too. So these would be like my two top favorites this winter to keep hydrated, keep everything like, yeah. All right, and then lastly, you can't have coziness without a favorite mug. And I have two mugs that I use. Well, I go between my stainless steel Arctic, I think it's actually technically a rocks glass, because I drink my coffee black, and so I will, a lot of times my coffee gets cold before I can finish it, so that's a favorite, and I've mentioned that in another video. But then I love all my other like handmade pottery type mugs, and I drink my teas in these mugs, or if I want to make a fancy coffee with coconut milk or cinnamon, you know, that type of thing. Speaking of the tea, once again, all you need to do to make a Young Living tea is a drop of thieves. I'll do just thieves, but you can do a drop of thieves and lemon. That's also amazing. And then hot water, and you've got a tea. You can add a spoon of honey in it, and it's amazing. And it's cozy, and it helps keep you above the wellness line for winter. All right, so there you have it. Yeah, all the cozy things. So sweater, a cozy book, a cozy mug, and get yourself some thieves. Okay, thieves is in and of itself, when you smell it, it smells like hygge. I mean, it smells like Christmas. Oh, it's amazing. All right, so thank you guys for watching. If any of you have any questions about highly sensitive living or Young Living, I would gladly love to chat with you. And until next week, I will see you later.